Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a try on haul. So we're back to the original try on haul style. I did try a different style last time per request, but some of you guys was like, no Lakia, go back to the old way. And then some of you did like the switch up, so I decided to just come back to the old style because honestly I like this style the best. I just like this one the best. So all the items I have here are from Prettylittlething, so let's just jump right into it. The first thing that I have is this red and black and white stripe t-shirt dress. It's a oversized boyfriend t-shirt dress, and I just thought this was really cute. I got it in a size, what size? A UK 4, which is a US 0. So if anything isn't a size 0, I'll let you know, but for the most part, I'm a size 0. So moving right along, I have this long-sleeved ruched dress. I thought this color was really cute up against like a darker skin color. It's like that burnt orange rust color. This one is in a UK 6, so it's a US 2. And it fits really well. The sleeves are super long and they almost give like that balloon feel to it because at the end it's very wide, but you guys will see once it's on. But yeah, this dress is on the shorter side, I will admit, but it's really cute. It is a sweater material, so don't think it'll be good for this 90+ degree heat that we have right now, but definitely something to bust out in the fall. So I got this dress. Next I have this sheer rainbow dress, and I got this to wear over a swimsuit because I mean, I guess you could buy like one of those cami slips to wear underneath it, but I specifically got this for a swimsuit cover up. So yeah, I thought this was really cute. I love the colors. It's a cute dress. Next I have this Floral Blazer, and in my mind I wanted to get this and wear it as a dress, but I got my exact size and that's not gonna work. So yeah, I got this blazer. I didn't get the bottoms because I didn't want another matchy set, because I do have a floral, a floral top with pants that you guys have seen previously, and I just don't want too many of those, so I just opted for this top part. And I actually have these cycle shorts that I want to pair with this, a little business cash, kind of like mixing it up. So yeah, let me show you the cycle shorts since I kind of skipped the line because they were back here. So these are sand cycling shorts, and I have these in a UK 4, which is a 0. And this looks really cute with this. You guys will see it, but it is belted and all that jazz. And I just think this would be cute together with some of those perplex heels. I'm totally here for the clear plastic shoes, so definitely a look. So let's just put that there since I already talked about it. So next I have this emerald green 2-piece. It's a blazer with some skinny pants, and these are separate. You have to buy them separately. It didn't come together. So here are the pants. They are cropped, which I didn't know they would be cropped. They literally stop like above my ankle, so it's kind of an awkward fit. The set is really cute. Not sure how I'm gonna wear this yet, but yeah, I got this little set. Next I have another set, and this one you buy separate as well. It doesn't come together. Let's start with the top. So here's what the top looks like. It's a deep plunge crop top, and it has this faux like buckle on the front. It doesn't open up or anything like that, so it has that detail in the front. And I have this top in a size 0. Did try the top on. It does run a little big, especially if you don't have boobs like me. So yeah, I have this top, and then it comes with high-waisted. Well, it doesn't come with, you can buy it separately. They have different variations of tops that you can buy that has the buckle. So here's the pants. They are high-waisted and they're like that scuba knit material. The pants are in a size 0. So next I have another pair of scuba knit pants from my previous, not my previous haul, but the last Pretty Little Thing haul I did. I showed you guys these in that olive color and I told you I have to get them in black. So I got them in black. I got the same size, which is a 0. I just love how high-waisted these go. They kind of give me tuxedo vibes, how it's like shaped, and I just love these with like a cute little crop top. I think these would be really cute. So yeah, I got these again. Next I got a swimsuit, and this is a white and black leopard print plunge swimsuit. It's a one-piece and I just thought it was really cute. They have this in red and I think they have it in green, and I really want the green one. The green one is almost, no, it might not be that color green, but yeah. Anyway, so this is the swimsuit here. It does fit a little tight, like I feel like it kind of smushes me, so I would definitely size up in the swimsuit. I got it in 0, so I feel like a size 2 will probably fit perfect, because like you're bound to have a slip in this, okay? You'll see when I try it on, but yeah, I really like this swimsuit. I love animal prints pretty much for the most part. So next I have this shape bodysuit. I got this shape white rib bandage scoop neck bodysuit in a size 6, which is a US 2. This bodysuit is a really nice material. It's nice and white, but it doesn't quite fit well. It doesn't fit well. But yeah, here's what this looks like. And then the last thing that I got is a play suit, and this is like a charcoal blue play suit. It's almost like those little crop tops they have that has the little zipper, but it's a whole like little play suit, and I just thought this was really cute. It's long sleeves. I got this in a UK 2, which is a 00, and it doesn't fit tight at all. It's on the loose side, so I think this is something really nice to like throw on if you want to wear it around the house, or actually wear it out. This would be cute with like some Converse or some slip-on shoes or something of that nature. But yeah, I just thought this was really cute and I needed to have it. And I just like how the zipper isn't like an exposed zipper, like it's very sleek, so I really like this. So yeah, that's it. That's all the items that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. As always, I will list all of the items that I have down below, so you guys can just go straight to it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.